Hi, this is Hai Xiaowang, and today we're going to talk about the subset 2. And given the integers arrays nouns that may contain duplicates, return all the possible subset. The solution must not contain the duplicate subset and return the solutions in any order. So actually, just go through the example 1 quickly. So in the example 1, there's the number 1 appears 1 times and the number 2 appears twice. So actually, we just get the unique numbers from the original nums array and just go enumerate the unique numbers. And for each number, we just enumerate how many times it can appear. So that's basically the idea behind this. So let's just code it up and do some explanations during coding. So the parameters will be the current list and the index where we should start from our enumerations in the unique numbers array. And we should pay attention that it's not the original nums array, it's a unique numbers array. And we'll just write pause there because we should do some pre-processing. So this is a dictionary which used for stores information of the frequencies for each unique numbers. The key is unique numbers in the nums array, and the values will be its frequencies. Oh, what I'm doing. And the unique will be so. And we just define our result, which is empty list, and we just DFS from the 0 index and just return the self.res. Then we just do our finish our recursion function here. So this case is that if the u is equal to the length of the unique, which means that we already visited all the candidates in the unique number, so we just return, we just append it to our result list, which be like this one, and just then return. And for each numbers, we just go through. We just enumerate how many times it can appear in the current list, and it's from 0 to its number stored in the frequencies dictionaries. So in range, just CNT or frequent and unique u, and I'm sure you possible. Actually, we can just not append it to our. For example, for 1, we can not include the 1 and just append 2 or two of the 2 to our current list. So we can just immediately do the recursion, which is current and u plus 1. And we can also append set numbers of the current numbers to our current list, which means append a unique u. And actually, for this line of code, actually we append the frequency plus 1 times of the number into our current. However, in the last of the loop, it will not do this recursion part. so it will not affect the correctness of the answer. And so to restore it, we should also pop this number of the element from our current list for back checking. Yeah, and I think it's pretty much what its problems. Let's try. Yeah, it works. And this is a little bit tricky here because if we only have the frequency unique U here, but with +1, and actually we are adding additional one more times of that numbers to our current list. However, because this line code is below this line of the code, so it will not call this function again. So the last appearance of the numbers will not affect our result. And yeah, that's pretty much about these problems. Thanks for watching.